I started losing my hair at a young age, around 18, 19 years old.
After the birth of my first daughter, my hair fell out in clumps. With laser hair therapy, I was able to get results within 6 to 8 weeks.
Being able to help out people that are going through similar things, that's been awesome.
Everyone there has great hair, and you think, oh, well, they just work there. Oh no, they're clients too. It's kind of cool.
I get to help men, women, children that experience all different types of hair loss. Male pattern baldness, alopecia, hormonal hair loss.
Transitions just treats everyone so well.
The staff was just so gracious, and it worked. Transitions grew my hair back.
Transitions, they back up everything they do, 100% guarantee that you're gonna love it. And just take the shot, you're not gonna regret it.
Don't wait until it's too late. The sooner that you come in, the better.
The latest technologies bring the best results.
And it's only available at Transitions. Go to transitionsindy.com or call 317-522-2991.